The title of the exercise is determination of the chloride concentration in air by potentiometer. So we've got the pH meter and the glass electrode. This electrode is also called the pH electrode and the combined electrode. The name combined is connected with the fact that in one holder we have two electrodes. One is the reference electrode and the second is the measuring electrode. Once again, the silver wire on the bottom of the electrode is the measuring electrode and the wire in the shelf is the reference electrode. Of course, you have to connect the electrode to the pH meter and prepare your place to work. The sample was prepared by passing air through two scrubbers filled with distilled water. We take 25 cubic centimeters of our sample. We add the same volume of distilled water. Then you have to wash and dry the electrode. Then you put the steering rod and turn on the steerer. The electrode goes to the solution to the depth marked with the dot on the electrode. Next, we fill the burette with sodium base. Next, you have to set 0 and start titration by adding 0.1 cubic centimeter of sodium base. We note the first result without sodium base. At the beginning of the titration, pH rises slowly. In this case, fast increase of pH was observed after adding approximately 1 cubic centimeter of sodium base. Remember that the end point of the titration is about the neutral pH. In the report, you have to draw the line of titration to find the end point. The example of the titration curve is in the instruction. At the end of the titration, pH stabilized again, but with the higher value. You can end titration when you have at least 10 points of the stabilized pH.